This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy diced tomatoes. Start by selecting about 2 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes for the best results. Make sure they are free of blemishes. Wash them well under cool water, then grab a sharp knife and a sturdy cutting board. Next, carefully remove the core from each tomato using a small paring knife, making a cone shape to extract the tough part. This simple preparation sets you up for success. For an easier peeling process, we'll quickly blanch the tomatoes. First, score a small X on the bottom of each tomato. Then, prepare a large bowl with ice water. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then carefully drop in the scored tomatoes. Let them blanch for just 30 to 60 seconds until the skin begins to wrinkle slightly. This step makes peeling incredibly simple. Once blanched, immediately plunge the tomatoes into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. After a minute or two, the skins will be easy to remove. Starting from the X you scored, simply peel away the loosened skin with your fingers. Next, cut each tomato in half and gently squeeze out the seeds and any excess watery pulp. This leaves you with clean, ready-to-dice tomato flesh. Now for the dicing. Take your peeled and seeded tomato halves and cut them into uniform strips, about 1/2 inch wide. Then, turn the strips and dice them into small, consistent 1/2 inch cubes. Aim for even pieces for better texture and cooking. You can use these fresh diced tomatoes immediately or store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade diced tomatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.